Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts, making your vocal cords snap shut and creating that hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, temperature changes, or excitement. To stop hiccups fast, hold your breath and swallow 3 times, or sip cold water slowly. These simple tricks help reset your diaphragm and end hiccups quickly.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.